So let's imagine you're interested in starting to invest your savings. And maybe you've heard of companies such as Google and Amazon. And if you put your money into their company a decade ago, you'd be a gajillionaire. Or maybe you've heard of stories about your grandparents' friends of friends that bought up a lot of real estate when they were young and now have one of the biggest houses you've ever seen. If you're new to investing, this might be a little daunting, but don't worry, there's plenty of time to own the next Fortune 500 company. But you must know where to start. Hi, my name is Brett, and I'm here to talk about tax-free savings accounts, better known as TFSAs. In short, TFSAs are the first place you should put your extra money. Why? Because your money can grow tax-free. No other account allows this. Whether you want to save for a house, a car, or just grow your investments, TFSAs are the best place to do so. They're super easy to open, and I'll tell you exactly how to do so, but first, there are a few important things you must know. In order to open a TFSA, you must be 18 years of age, meaning for those of you under the age of 18, be happy you're young, because this day will come soon. However, I encourage you to keep on watching, because in the wise but harsh words of Benjamin Franklin, by failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Each year, the government sets an annual contribution limit to your tax-free savings account. The amount is subject to change every year. For example, from 2019 to 2022, the annual contribution limit was $6,000. However, if you've never contributed to your TFSA or have withdrawn money from your TFSA, your contribution room will differ. There's actually a table on Google that shows you how much you can put in if you haven't reached your available contribution room from previous years. For example, if you just turned 25 in the year 2023 and have yet to contribute to your TFSA, you'd be able to put in $47,000. After setting up your TFSA, you can actually find out what your contribution room is by either directly contacting CRA or by checking your CRA account at any time of the day. You can put money in or take money out of your TFSA at any time. The only thing that you must remember is that if you take money out and you contributed the max limit for that year, you won't be able to contribute to your TFSA until the next year. Don't worry, I know this is a lot, but all these facts can be found online. Now for the fun part. To open your TFSA, you can either work with your advisor or do it yourself online. If you want to do it yourself, just go on the bank website that you use and follow their instructions. It's also important to note that you can actually have more than one TFSA account. However, the per person maximum contribution limit still applies, so make sure you keep track of all your contributions. Simply put, TFSA is a great place to put your money and learn about investing. That's it for today. More to come on investing soon.